Audio Jungle.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Crypto Victoria community. So, guys, today I come with very awesome project. So, before starting the review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So, guys, let's start review now. Welcome to the King Floki. Guys, it is very awesome and unique project. Today I describe about each and everything how you can buy this King Floki AI and how you can hold this and how you can get more profit in futures and how it is beneficial for you. So I explain each and everything so you don't have miss any part of the video, and I have placed all official links in my video description. You have to simply copy this and you can open this interface like King Floki AI. So before starting the review of this amazing platform, I am not a financial advisor. This is not my financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. So guys, King Floki AI is very unique project. Here you can see it is basically a meme coin, and here is the official contract address of the King Floki. And here you can see guys, it is basically inspired by the beloved Floki of Elon Musk, and King Floki AI was created as a meme token. And what is this the aim of this token? It's bring higher returns to the investors through its intelligent marketing strategies. Guys, it becomes very beneficial to the investors. When you enter in this platform, you get more benefits in futures, and how you can get, you can read this. And this is very amazing platform. So here is, you can see there about all the investors interest of small or large brokers they get due to its high valuation, seeking to continually listed in the main brokers in the market. So in short space of a time, reaching an appreciation of up to 1000x, always surpassing its ATH. So here is a beautiful profile of the King Floki. Here you can see, and this is the guys total supply of this meme token. And here you can see a pre-sale is about 40% and liquidity is 40%, CEX listing which is 10%, and about team is 10%. So guys, this is about King Floki AI marketing. Here you can see our marketing. We have prepared a surprise 2% of purchase fees and 2% of the sale fees if will go through to our cryptocurrency influencers. So guys, it is very minimum amount and you can buy easily, and you can get more profits in this low fees, in this low purchasing fees. You can get more profits in future. So you have to must join this amazing platform. So to benefits, all influencers must meet their certain recommendations to be readable to receive that 4% fees. And after approval, influencers will have their wallet registered and will receive USDT after our team analyze and confirm complaints. So guys, here you can see and read all about their marketing campaigns. Guys, this is the tax total distributions for about project 10%, holders 6%, and marketing is 4%. Here is the transaction tax. Here you can see buy 10%, sell 10% too, and about 20%. So here is how you can buy this meme coin, amazing meme coin. Holders who keep King Floki AI in their wallets for at least 1 hour will earn reflections of 3% of the buying rate and 3% of the selling rate in fractions of BTC, because we recognize that investors are primarily responsible for the growth and success of a token. So guys, they will receive their wallets at least for 1 or 3% after buying rate and 3% after the selling rate. So guys, here is the roadmap of King Floki A, which is divided into different phases. And as I described in my other videos, if you have to invest any platform, so you have to read there all the roadmap. This is a basically all the past and future development about any platform. So here you can see in phase 1 all social media's account, also their website creation, smart contract and pre-sale will start in phase 1, and influencers campaign, liquidity lock, pancake listing, 10% burn of King Flocky AI token also. And in phase 2 they strengthen their marketing campaign and also increase their Telegram community members and on Twitter, and they will be listed on all of the famous exchanges like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and 10% burn of King Flocky AI tokens and also their total market capitalization. And guys, in phase 3 the intensity marketing campaign will increase, and more increasing their all communities social media's accounts like their Twitter and their Telegram community. They will increase their followers on Instagram, and they will King Flocky AI swap also, and 10% burn of King Flocky AI tokens, and they will be listing on the CEX. And in phase 4 guys, marketing explosion will take place, and 50,000 members on Telegram, 50,000 members on Twitter account, and also 50,000 followers on Instagram account of King Flocky. Change 8% fees for influencers and change 12% rate for the holders, and also they are listing on the 30CX. So guys, here is their amazing roadmap of the King Flocky which I described completely. And guys, this is our all social media's accounts of King Flocky AI, their Twitter, Instagram, and their Telegram community. So guys, you have to join their community and you can get all upcoming news information and updation about the King Flocky in their all social media's account. So you have to must follow this. And guys, this is our Telegram community. You have to join this and you can get all upcoming informations and news about King Flocky. So you have to must join this. So guys, this is about our King Flocky pre-sale. It is basically on the Binance Smart Chain. And how you can buy the token? You have to simply guys connect your wallet. And which wallet you have to connect? You have to connect your any of the wallet, Binance Chain or any of this, and you have to simply take your soul into your wallet and you can buy this King Flocky token and you can swap this. So guys, after the purchase will not impact the price of the token, and you will need to approve the token that will be accepted except BNB to pay for the operations, and you will need to approve the token that will be accepted BNB to pay for the operations. So God, if you have any error recommended your wallet, so you have to check you have a balance, and if they not shown, so you have to refresh your the page. So guys, here you can see pre-sale will start of King Flocky after this time, and here you can see when it is created, and this is the contract of address of King Flocky, and here you can see their website about their Telegram and token accepted which will be in the USDT. Here you can see there all the pre-sale start and end time. This is the name of this token which is King Flocky, and symbol is the KFAI. Here is the total supply quantity. Here you can see all about this token information on this amazing platform. So guys, you have to must join their Instagram community, and I recommend you to please invite your family and friend on this awesome platform. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching.